This tutorial is all about how to schedule online appointment in PSA. First, search to Google browser appointment PSA. Select PSA online appointment. Click Civil Registration Service. Scroll down. You can read the step-by-step procedure. Easy and simple. Scroll down and check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click Next. After this, you will start fill up where you want to get your PSA. It is advisable that you get your PSA in your birthplace. Next, choose a region. For me, I choose Region 5. Choose an outlet. Here, I choose Legazpi City, Albay. Then, scroll down and click Next. Scroll down again and fill out your basic information. First name, middle name, last name, email, and mobile number. And check the I agree box to proceed. Then click Next. Here, they will send a one-time PIN in your email. Check your email and key in the PIN number. And click Verify. Then choose the certificate type you want to apply for. Click the Certificate of Live Birth. Then in relationship, choose self. Then it will auto-generate your full name below. Then click Next. Here you can choose your schedule of appointment. Blue color indicates available slots. After you choose the date, then you need to select which time your appointment schedule. Then click Next. Here you will see the summary of your request of birth certificate. You can go back if you need to edit your information, but if it's all correct, then click Confirm, then click Next. An email confirmation will be sent to you. Click View Appointment. Here is your appointment slip having a QR code. Scroll down and click Print Appointment Form. Then click Download. You need to print this and bring it together with your valid ID and visit the office of the PSA on the scheduled appointment date. Go back to the website, scroll down, and here you can see that you can also order it by sending it to you in door-to-door. On the day of the appointment, you need to bring the appointment form and valid ID. On the same day, you will get your birth certificate. It's very simple and very fast. Due to pandemic, the system of PSA improved and you will no longer waste time waiting in line. If you think this video helped you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thank you mga katomodachi. See you in the next video. Bye!